Okay everyone, I'm making some pizza dough. If you like to make it by yourself, it's a lot cheaper and you get a lot more for your money. So you will need 1 cup of warm water. I got the warm water right here. You need 1 1/4 teaspoon of dry yeast. You need 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of flour, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And that'll be it. That is very simple. All you do is you get your 1 cup of water, you add your yeast, your sugar, and your salt. Let it sit for 10 minutes until you see it foam up like that. It's really neat because you can sit there and watch it bubble up. Because the temperature of the water, you really want between 105 and 110 for it to activate the yeast. If it's too cold, it won't activate it. If it's too warm, it'll burn your yeast and your crust will not fluff up. It won't rise. You let it foam up until it looks creamy and bubbly. Then you add your yeast mixture to your flour. Mix a little bit, then add your vegetable oil. And then you want to knead the dough for about 15 minutes by hand. Then you want to get an extra little bowl and coat it with oil so you set your dough in it. Cover it for about an hour, at least an hour. You'll notice the difference because it'll double in size. Put a little flour on the table and roll out your dough as thin as you like it. You want it thick, roll it out a little bit. You want it thin, just keep rolling it out to however thin you like it. You ready to make pizza, breadsticks, cinnamon sticks. You can really make a lot of stuff with this dough. People don't even know they use the same dough. So if you'd like to make some pizza, because I'm making some tonight for the family. I was supposed to make some last night. But then letting it sit for an hour, I didn't have time for the kids to get their bath and go to bed. So that's that. I'll let you guys see the pizza tonight when I make it. We got some pizza sauce. I have cheese, banana peppers, pepperoni, and black olives, whatever the kids would like. And my baby, because they probably want some bacon. So I'll guide you along. And when you're kneading your dough, you want to put some flour on there and just keep adding so you get a nice, good dough. And you can either roll it under your hand with both hands or do the traditional way and keep using both hands and tucking it under. But that's the dough ball. So I'm going to do the next one. Oil this up and put it in a bowl for an hour. And pizza dough will be ready. Alright, I'm on my second batch. If you guys can see the little bubbles coming up, they're showing that yeast is activated. As long as you got your temperature right, it should work fine. The sugar and salt feed it, so. That's what you want to see. If you don't see that, don't even pour it in your flour, just restart. And also make sure, whatever yeast, that's the yeast I use, make sure the expiration date is good, because sometimes people mess up on that. So after you're done doing that, you should come out with some good dough. See you later tonight when I make the pizza.